Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to one and all for the 15th session of the Super 25 program, India's largest online stock traders conference. Today is 21st May 2020. Well, friends, we have a unique speaker today in our program. So we have Mrs. Padma Babu, who is a full-time intraday trader and a personal coach. She fundamentally trades using the concepts of supply and demand with an additional parameters that she officially applies. How many of you realize that she is the first lady speaker in the Super 25 program? So if it was an official conference, we could have given a standing ovation for that. Unfortunately, this is an online program. We can't do that. Okay, so Padma is based out of Bangalore and she hardly stays 5 kilometers away from my house. Her elder son pursues his MS in Germany, and her younger son is he's a dancer and is a student. So her primary focus is on price action, and she is a hardcore intraday trader. She is well known for her fastness and consistent and repeatable trades. Okay, she claims herself to be a classical dancer, but I have never seen her dance yet, but I have seen her son dancing. All right. So with this information, Padma, on behalf of entire Super 25 members and the extended Traders Gurukul family, I extend my warm welcome and greetings to you.
Thank you, Ashok. Thanks a lot.
And we are very happy
Uh,
to have you on board today.
yeah,
And the stage is ready for your conversation. Please go ahead.
yeah. Thank you so much, Ashok, for that introduction. I'm a classical dancer. Of course, there is no chance that you can see my see me on the stage. Those days are gone. Yeah, intraday. Yes, I see that I'm purely an intraday trader, and that is my when I started my trading, that is the first word I heard that okay, so we can make money in intraday. So before that, I never heard of any of those things, and my first search was towards intraday only, how to do, what is it, how it comes, based on that my journey started. So I became an intraday trader eventually. I'm doing shares in the share market from past 5 years. And this is really a good platform. And let us go forward. And would like to thanks to this, go to webinar people by, giving this, sponsorship, officially for the our very nice Super 25 program. And let us, before I go to my slides, or before I start my conversations or training, I would like to ask the question, Ashok, to the audience, like, I know that there will be many intraday traders in the call now. How they are getting ready for the intraday, means what's the criteria they use? I really don't know, frankly speaking. But what all the kind they look for? Okay, how they pick the intraday trades? Means today I'm doing this, so how do they pick? Can the people type and answer this, like, one word or one sentence, or how you people get ready, how you pick?
Sounds good. And here are the answers. Some people say I'm always confused to define a process for day-to-day activities. Rahul says he uses high volume and liquidity. Ruben says he prefers to use stocks with sideway movement. Rajan wants to use most active stocks. And Suzman wants to follow supply and demand. Ram wants to
Okay.
follow top gainers, but they are only talking about a specific approach. So what Padma
Yeah.
was asking is, do you guys prepare any set of processes you follow before you take off with your trade today morning? So that is a question in a nutshell. So Padma, I guess
Hmm.
that would be a classic purpose of this session today. So you please go ahead and explain the audience how you go ahead prepare for tomorrow morning right now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. We will start. This is my Mr. Jimran. He's a business philosopher. I have taken training from him very long back ago, but extraordinary, powerful person. What you are seeing on the screen, this is his most told sentences or told knowledge. And this one, I believe, like anything, because for anything in the life, for things to change, it is you need to change. For things to get better, you need to get better. For example, 5 years before how you are, and if you are still the same way, then it is not any circumstances, it is not any situation, or it is not your family, or it is nothing. It's you who has to change. So that's how I relate. This can be related to any part of your life. The same way goes to the trading. If your trading system have not changed, let us say at least, forget about the 5 years. Let us say from 3 months, 4 months, you are in the same situation. It has not at all improved. That means it's not about the market, or it's not about the course what you have learned. It's you. Something is there that which you have to change. Because what happens, market is same for everyone, it changes every day. But and also the courses, there are many kind of courses, there are many speakers you get into, many kind of concepts you learn. Knowledge or learning in the market will never end, but that doesn't mean that you are always be a student. No, you can't be always be a student. Someday you have to be a earner, or you have to make money here. That is the reason you came to the share market. So for that, look back. If from 6 months nothing is changing, that means it's you, not any of the things. Okay, so that is where I would like to give my plan of action, where you can implement it. Whatever the way you are trading, it can be helpful for you. So let us go to my first thing. Why we need to prepare? Because there will be a lot of people thinking, like as you said, some people will look at the volume, whatever the big volume or less volume in the morning, they immediately get into that script or trade it. Those are all or someone will say that which one is which went to the top gainer or top loser, those kind of things, and they immediately pick some trades. Have you ever observed that many times, if you see the percentage of success or percentage of failure in those things, most of the time you have lost it. Okay, so that is why intraday means it's not a gambling. A lot of people think that intraday means, okay, open the system, market is open, you take any pick, any trade, and get in and get out. No, sorry guys, that's not an intraday. Intraday, you need extraordinary preparation, or you have to work more to trade. People think that, okay, actually this is the what do you say, intraday is the one which you can plan with kind of calculation. It is a calculative way you can trade. So then every day can be a good one for you. Okay, and so that is why you need a proper we all need to have this proper trade plan, where tomorrow when the market opens, we have to be ready for everything. So that is where your intraday can give you any benefit. Okay, without a plan, what happens if you enter any script or year and day, most of the time, if you, even if you get the profit also, it may not be a consistent one, or it might not be a big one. Okay, so these are the reason we need to prepare. And also the market, we it never we think that today, okay, tomorrow market is going to go up. Can anyone predict it so well? Can anyone predict the market perfect? I don't think so. Like, okay, we just judge or we just, but market can do anything tomorrow. It can go upside down. It can, act like the way it never act the way we want. That is why I said this sentence. So you have to be ready. And also the intraday is, a lot of people want magic, or a lot of people expects the blackbuster, or a lot of people expect the jackpot in intraday. Sorry guys, I sorry to say that no, there is no jackpot here. It is a hard work, okay? But intraday is a very quick in and out, so that you need to pick up a speed here. So means you have to think very fast, you have to act very fast, means you have to punch the order very fast. The same way you have to exit with the profit. So that is why intraday needs a preparation. It's kind of an exam only, like how you have to get ready for everything. Whatever the question it gave, your answer is already ready. Then only you can get a marks. Maybe here and there some answer you don't know, so that will go into the loss. But end of the year question paper, you need to have that 75%, 85% at least. Otherwise, you will end up in that fail. Let us think that intraday is everyday test for you. Every day there is a market is your principal, or market is your teacher. It is giving you an exam. So how do you ready for an exam? So you have to be prepared, no, with all the kind of, and we know the subjects, we know what is in the market. So those are the subjects you already know. Only thing is you have to prepare and plan, okay? And what happens is, I call this as a backward thinking. What happens before I say that how to get ready for an intraday? Let us say that why you need that to do the intraday, or why you came for a market, or how much you are looking from the market is very much important before you take a trade. This point, I'm damn sure 99% will have never done it, or they will forget to do it. Because only thing is, the morning I'm entering, I'm taking some script, I need a lakh of rupees, I need 50,000, I need some 20,000, a simply a vague kind of thing will be there. But let us do this calculation. If you have a diary or something, or paper in front of you, write down these things, or you can just even take a screenshot out of it. There will be two things. We have a need, and we have a wish also, and there will be a third thing, that is a dream. I will not cover that dream part today because it will take longer time. We will only cover these two, okay? As I said, need is different from wish. Why? Because you can see in the example, you are earning something in a salary or in your business, like some 50,000 salary or 30,000 salary, or you might be a in a very good position where you are earning some 80,000 salary, but still you need something extra, where you need to pay some EMI, or or whatever you are earning is sufficient for your life, but still you need to want to save something for the future, or for the kids, like or for you need to spend something. You needed some extra income, that you always had the calculation. I am short of some 20,000. I'm short of some 30,000. If I had this 30,000, it would be so nice. So that is why you need, you always look for something better opportunity. And there are some other kind of people who they have left the job, or they have took the trading as their source of income itself. Full-time traders means, then you have to be too much careful. If you are a full-time trader, then there is no boss here. That is the extraordinary danger, because the market is a kind of boss that it will never give you direct orders. It will never give you do like this, okay? So you always have to be a boss of your own office. So then you have to work like a worker in your office. So you must know how much you need per month, whatever is your expenditure you are looking for. First, you need to calculate that. Let us say that, that's why I'm just this as example. Why I've taken this example is because, believe me guys, people say that, lakhs together, they talk lakhs together.